Alright, so this is the Tiburon. I've had it for maybe a month so far. Everything's pretty stock on it. It's really normal. Only thing I've changed so far is new O2 sensors, cold air intake obviously. Right now I'm in the middle of replacing the tube that goes to the cold air intake. And I've also cut off a lot of the exhaust. For the most part, and I just kind of straight piped it. You can see right there, that's brand new pipe, and stuff back there is brand new pipe as well. It's got a little bit of rust. The wing is faded, planning on repainting that. It has different muffler tips, which I like these a lot better than what it already had. The other ones were really fat and just looked ricey as shit, sounded ricey as shit. And they started burning my bumper as well, right there. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but yeah, it started to burn my bumper. So I was like, yeah, we're getting rid of that. And I just straight piped everything back here. Got rid of all the mufflers and shit. Pretty stock. The wheels used to have a bunch of plastic dip on them, which was just stupid. The guy before me put all the plastic dip on there. So now I'm gonna replace the rims because they're all scuffed up too. You can see that right there. They're all like curb scuffed up and shit. So that happened. The headlights were more faded than this when I got it, but I resurfaced them and it still looks like shit. So I'm probably gonna replace those too. Got to replace the catalytic converter because it's bad. I also had to replace the valve cover gasket because of it was just bad. It was leaking oil really bad. So did that. It's looking pretty good now. It looks like I need to tighten this a little bit more, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. And here's what the inside looks like. There's a couple of dents, like there's a dent right here on the hood, or I mean the roof. And a couple of like door dings up and down the side of it. The interior looks pretty sweet. Everything is for the most part stock. I'm planning on replacing the floor mats though because it has a burn in it. Everything's pretty new in it. It feels like basically a new car. So it's got plenty of space in the trunk. I love the trunk on this thing because it pulls up like kind of like most of the Porsches do. So it's like that when the trunk is up. It's pretty sweet. I just put some bins back here and put all my shit in it. There's that guy. Everybody's having fun. So yeah, so this is the Tiburon so far. Pretty decent. Oh my god, yes!
Flirting with the same bitches, kissing all the same mouths. I've been doing this since the playground. Just did a show in Detroit where they filmed the movie 8 Mile.